Attorney General Aaron Ford says 11 people have been convicted of Medicaid fraud. The investigation began in 2017. It started with false claims being made with no actual work being done. That's when investigators saw it was part of a wider scheme billing Medicaid fraudulently. The 11 convicted posed as mental health practitioners, billing sometimes 24 hours of work in one day. In addition to their sentencing, $5.5 million will be repaid to Medicaid.